That is what you call a sleeping man. That is what you call an air horn. This is what happens when you get somebody when they're sleeping with an air horn. Round 1 didn't work.
Round 2.
Round 2 worked. And he goes back to sleep. What the hell? Apparently a round 3 never happened. What's the matter? Are you scared? You sure? You sure? Honey sauce, baby! Oh no! Sweet sex! Honey sex! I guess it doesn't work that well, huh?
No.
Say hi. Say hi. Is that funny? Yeah, it was a funny.
Flaming wheel!
And look at that, he's still sleeping. Hey, extreme close up. Ew, he farted in his sleep.